Looking to create an engaging and attractive video for your audience? In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your InVideo videos with just a few clicks, so that you can make sure each video stands out and catches the attention of your viewer. Greetings, fellow creators. Today, we are delving into the world of video customization with InVideo. With over 5,000 customizable video templates, AI text-to-video capabilities, a vast library of 1 million premium videos and photos, and a feature-packed video editor, the possibilities are endless. So, let's get started with tips for customizing your InVideo videos. Before we dive into the tips, let's discuss why customization is crucial. Customizing your videos not only makes them unique, but also helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. In today's crowded digital landscape, it's all about leaving a lasting impression. First things first, let's talk about picking the perfect template. InVideo offers an extensive range of templates for every occasion. Whether it's a business promo, a social media ad, or a personal vlog, there's a template waiting for you. Don't feel confined by the template's initial design. Customize it to fit your brand or style. You have the creative freedom to modify anything: fonts, colors, layouts, and more. Let's talk about a real game changer: AI text-to-video. InVideo's AI text-to-video feature lets you transform text into engaging visuals automatically. It's a time saver for complex projects and a boon for content creators. Experiment with different text animations to bring your content to life. Tweak the speed and style to match your video's tone. Now, let's explore the treasure trove of 1 million premium videos and photos. Enrich your video by using high-quality footage and images from InVideo's library. It's a quick way to enhance your content. If you have your own visuals, easily incorporate them into your video for that personal touch. The InVideo editor is your playground for professional video creation. Trim and split clips to control video length. Merge clips seamlessly to craft a cohesive narrative. Add text overlays to provide context or enhance engagement. Spice up your video with stickers for a fun touch. Now, let's explore the artistic side with video effects. Experiment with video speed to create dramatic effects or highlight key moments. Record voice-overs directly within InVideo for a personalized touch. Choose from a plethora of transitions and effects to keep your audience engaged. Don't forget the importance of video quality. InVideo supports HD resolution, ensuring your videos look crisp and professional. Get creative with video masks to showcase multiple visuals or create unique effects. Setting the right mood with music and sound effects is our next tip. InVideo offers a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to choose from. Select the ones that complement your content and enhance the viewer's experience. Once you've customized your video, don't forget to preview it. Check for any necessary adjustments, whether it's timing, text placement, or transitions. It's all about achieving perfection. Finally, when you're satisfied with your customized video, it's time to export it in your desired format. InVideo simplifies this process. After exporting, share your masterpiece across your social media platforms, website, or wherever your audience hangs out. And there you have it, folks. These tips should set you on the path to video customization mastery with InVideo. Remember, it's not just about the tools, it's how you wield them. So, experiment, innovate, and craft videos that truly stand out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and happy video creating. For more video tutorials and creative inspiration, stay tuned to SaaS Promotion. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.